Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand how do we validate the requirements in big data. Just to recollect, in the previous video, we understood the different types of validations in big data testing. Now, as a part of this video, we'll understand the requirement document validation. When you are coming out with the requirements for the big data, you bound to have some issues, right? Like there may be some errors in mapping, there may be some data quality issues, there may be transformation errors, and schema matches are not done properly, and there may be issues on the data integrity. So by conducting the thorough requirement validation, we'll be able to see if there are any errors. If we do the requirement document validation, we'll be able to catch all the potential errors very early in the development life cycle. That will make our project more successful. We do have different requirement document validations. Like we will be looking at whether the requirement is complete or not through requirement completeness check. Then we'll also check data mapping verification. We will check schema and metadata validation. We'll check ingestion, processing, and storage check. And we'll also check reporting and output. We'll look at all these types of validation one by one in our next video. Thank you.